over here. All right. I would like to take this opportunity and introduce few more team members. All right, thank you so much. It's an honor to have you with us. So, गजल मैम, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस तो हैं मेरे मन में जो मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ, जो हम सब भी जानना चाहते हैं लीफोबेरी के पीछे। बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो लीफोबेरी के बारे में, ऑफ कोर्स प्रोडक्ट रेंज के बारे में जिन्हें हमने अभी लॉन्च किया, जिन अभी हमने देखा उनके बारे में। सो वी ऑल आर वेटिंग टू हियर लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स फ्रॉम यू। सो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, पुट योर हैंड्स टुगेदर वंस अगेन फॉर गजल कोठारी। कैन वी हैव यू ओवर हियर मैम?
Hello everyone. I'm so thrilled and excited to be here today. Are you?
Yes.
I would like to, before I start, I would like to share my journey with you. But before I start, I would like to thank Utkarsh and Munira for collaborating with Leafo-Berry to promote self-love and self-care. Thank you both of you. I even like to give a special thanks to our bloggers who are here today, and they have collaborated with Leafo-Berry to promote Love Your True Self. It has been an incredible journey filled with hard work, dedication, and perseverance. I always had a vision to do something in life. I always wanted to be an entrepreneur. My mom used to run an educational institution where I honed my leadership skills, and she taught me the ins and outs of how to manage an educational institution. But the journey didn't stop here. Soon I got married, I became pregnant, but all these things didn't stop me to follow my dreams. But I need, one kick in my life. I didn't know what kick it would be. I didn't know where to start from. What pace, I can say thing, which can come from inside, which I'm passionate about doing it. Because I wanted to do something which I'm interested in, not what others want me to do. So who had given me that kick? That cutest little kick had been given by my little daughter, Nizel. And I swear it was like she was telling me, Mama, you need to start thinking of the products you are using on your skin and on your body. I think if I talk about my biggest inspiration, the kick is not enough, right? I need something, something more. So my biggest inspiration is my mom. I have always seen her using natural things, natural ingredients. I think हम बचपन से बड़े ऐसे ही हुए natural चीज़ों को लगा के. Maybe if I talk about my mom, when I was young, I have always seen her using natural ingredients. Like maybe you talk about any kitchen ingredient, maybe tomato, potato, papaya, watermelon, she can use anything on her face. So I still remember she used to make a tomato puree and apply it on her face. She used to cut potato slices and apply it on her face. So I think why not I can incorporate these natural ingredients and can create my line of natural products. Then I thought that, but of course motherhood had given me a profound sense of responsibility to take care of my skin and my baby in the best way possible I can. But as you know, because of busy lifestyle and hectic schedules, working parents may not have time to do these desi nuskas. So I thought why not to create a line of natural products that can be easily enjoyed with benefits without having to compromise on your busy schedule. So then I joined few courses, learned more about natural skincare, and I did learn how to make formulations and all. But that was not easy. That was not. It was of course challenging. As a new mother, I didn't have time to attend classes. So for few classes, I used to take my daughter with the help of a maid. And for few classes, when COVID was a hype, and you can say when being a homemaker, I used to do multitasking. So I used to, at one side, used to cook, and one side used to see videos, and with my video button off, of course, and with my earplugs on. This is how, I did it. But I think theory is not sufficient. I was like, I wanted to practice it. I want to play with different kitchen ingredients. So then I decided every night to play with, of course, juggling motherhood and training wasn't easy for me. So I was like playing with different kitchen ingredients like a mad scientist in the kitchen. And for me, like it was a game of culinary Jenga where one wrong move could destroy or could, bring everything to crash down. I still can't imagine the anxiety I used to feel at that point of time when I tiptoed in the kitchen that, oh, praying that this little angel doesn't wake up. And because starting, the process of starting that, the fear of the process of starting that all over again was quite unbearable for me. Sometimes she, used to come in the kitchen when my process is fully completed, and she used to dip her finger inside the products. And I was like, oh, I have to start it all over again. I was like, no, I can't do this anymore. I was like into tears, I can't do this anymore. अब मुझसे नहीं होगा ये. And then everyone was like, you can, use it. उसे finger ही तो डाला है. I used to say, for me, quality is of utmost importance. For me, customer skin is my skin. But the journey didn't stop here. Products तो बना लेंगे. But बेचेंगे किसको? Who will try your products? Who will try your formulations? Then here comes the challenge. I think my mom and Lubhani, they motivated me like anything. They were the first one to try my each and every product without thinking, हाँ मेरे face पे अगर breakout हो गया तो what will happen if I turn red? I have to go for an event. But I think I must, praise them for motivating me enough to try my each and every product. But I think that is also not sufficient for me. I need to try it on different skin tones and skin types to make sure that my product is working well. So I had thought of putting up an exhibition where I said customers that I'm selling products which have natural ingredients, and people bought it and they tried it, and I was like, okay, I'm getting good results, so why not I manufacture it at a large presses. And then we got a Derma approved certificate, we got CSCDO done. So now Leafoberry is a one-step solution for all your skin concerns, whether it's aging, wrinkles, fine lines, dullness, dryness, age spots, pigmentation, and whatnot. But I can say that's a life of an innovator formulating. Then I thought, I think Leafoberry is all about self-love, self-care, self-motivation. Leafoberry is something which reminds women to love their true self, that taking care of yourself is not just a luxury but a necessity. So I think you should love it, love your true self, and be on your own. Thank you all for being with me, for sharing my journey with me. And I think with hard work, dedication, and willingness, you can cross any path, any journey, and anything. You just need your vision in your mind, your vision in your eyes, that determination, that hard work. But before I take a seat, I would like to thank few important people in my life. My mom, my dad. They have been a great inspirator to me. They have always motivated me to move forward, to move ahead in life. My mom used to say that मेंढक कुएं में रह के कुछ नहीं सीख सकता. मेंढक को कुएं से बाहर निकल के एक्सप्लोर करना पड़ता है to reach to some stage. So that line touched me so well, which made me, come to this level. I'm thankful to you mom, and dad. Thank you, Nikunj, for always being a wonderful partner, wonderful supporter to me. हम काटने के लिए काफी जने बैठे हैं, but उड़ान देने के लिए बहुत कम जने हैं. He had given me those wings to fly. Thank you so much, Nikunj, for being with me. I would like to thank few more people. I would like to thank Rahul. And I think anytime I can call him in the night, he is always ready to answer my queries and all whatever doubts I have. So he had been a great inspirator to me. Thank you, Rahul, so much. I would like to thank Abhijit. Hi, Abhijit. He was the one whom I met when I was, putting my exhibitions. And he was like, Ghazal, you need to, do some nice packaging and, put your products on some good platform. That motivated me, and he was a great support to my entire journey. Thank you, Abhijit. I would like to thank Marut. He has always been a great inspirator to me. Bolte hai na, there was a time in my life when I used to feel down, and he was like, गाड़ी जब रुक जाती है, उसको धक्का चाहिए रहता है. He had given me that push to move. I still remember he sent me one line, "You are Ghazal Babil," and I know that Ghazal Babil can do anything. That was a turning point of my life, and it changed me to make Leafo Berry. Thank you so much. Last but not the least, I would like to thank our amazing marketing team, Tuneet ji, PR team, Puneet ji, thank you so much. I have a team of young people, so there's no problem in coordination. Last but not the least, I would like to thank Amit ji. Amit ji है the I think he was there. He was industry entertainment sector head, senior head. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much. That we would like to ask. So I'll start with Ghazal ma'am first. So Ghazal ma'am, we got to know many things about Leafaberry. So
The first question I think I already answered. So what set Leafo Berry apart is I think we have used minimal ingredients in our products, and those are all concentrated ingredients, all potent ingredients. We have taken a combinations of ingredients that works well for the skin. And I think Leafo Berry is all about love your true self. So that make us, create a unique identity about Leafo Berry.
of course. Thank you so much ma'am. Now my question goes to Kapil sir. So Kapil sir,
Initially, I would like to say something कि हमारे लिए ये पर्सनल केयर के प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, हमारे लिए ये बिल्कुल स्किन मतलब सेफ है, सब कुछ है. लेकिन ये गजल मैम के लिए जैसे मैंने उनकी एक स्पीच सुनी, उनके लिए इमोशंस है. लेट्स हैव अ बिग हैंड फॉर हर प्लीज. एंड रही बात प्रोडक्ट्स,
of course. Thank you.
शो
So
योर लव.
Of course, we all need to show our love to Leafaberry. Can we have a huge round of applause for Kapil sir? Thank you so much for the answer. Now my question goes to Saurabh sir. So sir, how do you prioritize sustainability and environment-friendly practices for Leafaberry?
The thing is, efficacy and safety are the two major things which we need to, take it in our head while creating a formulation. So efficacy and safety are the counterparts, or you can say, cornerstones for the making product composition and the product development process. And by creating this, we know our responsibility toward the mankind, because the product will affect many lives here and there. So that's the thing, and we know our roles, and we take it very seriously while creating a formulation. So after that, we had a team. We have a team which is around 10 plus of years of experience in the same field. They are creating products for many big brands, and they are running well. Leafo Berry will be one of them, that's for sure. So at that time, we just understand the query related to the brand, that what are the the ingredients or the thought process after that brand, that why we are making products for that particular brand. So after getting that much of information about the brand or their thought process, we will do the research and find the right ingredient which are very effective but as well as safe to the all skin types, or you can say to the all mankind who will use that product. So that's how we will ensure the efficacy, or you can say the safety of each and every ingredients and the products.
Of course, definitely. So such a lovely answer we have got from sir as well. Can we have a huge round of applause for Saurav Avasthi, sir? Before proceeding with the next question, I would like to invite Dr. Sangeeta Babel for the testimonial. Yes, we have got the customer who has used Lifoberry products. So let's hear from Dr. Sangeeta Babel. And of course, she has her love, पूरा का पूरा आशीर्वाद हमारी गजल नाम के साथ. तो एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए मम्मी जी के लिए. Okay. You both can be seated. You both can be seated, of course. Yes, one more seat is there. And first of all, I would like to ask one question to Sangeeta ma'am. As you have said that you have used also, and who can know better than you, who can know better than the mom herself. So, how is the experience after using Lifoberry products?
Actually, I was having before 2 years, I got black spots on my skin, and the sagginess it was developing on my skin. So I asked the Gajal that what to do. Then she suggested me, Mom, just use my face wash very first. Do not use any cosmetic, anything hard for your faces. And then she had given me some vitamin C and E. Her handmade was there, and she had especially made for me only that time. And that time she was just having the, she was on the writing, just searching and just making some ingredients and these all. So she had given me, and yeah, definitely it was, my face was developed. And you can see the before 2-3 years, and now it is very much differences are there on my face. And definitely nice products are there. Everything is so nice and so generic that you can say you can use it anytime, every time. And I can suggest everyone that should use this Lifoberry. And this is the young entrepreneur, and I hope that she is very, very devoted, and she follow the hard workers and follow everything, she just quit everything and she just have the searching, and whole night, entire night she just woke up and just, I know that when she was in delivery time, Bhilwara, she was with me only, and only Gajal was 7-8 days, 9-10 days she was there. Nijal, Gajal, she's there. So, from that time, whole night, she was having the reading and searching, and I was saying that, better go and sleep. Tomorrow you should do that. But she was just, no, Mom, I have to do this today only. Tomorrow I have to do another one. So that time also she had did the work hard, and I appreciate her efforts, and I think that I wish her that she just go high and high, and Lifoberry maybe a good brand, and after 2-3 years you can see, everyone can see this is the nice brand. It would be the nice brand.
Of course. And one very important thing that we have learned from here is Ghazal Ma'am's, when she was launching Lifoberry, before that, she gave Lifoberry's products to her family members and they have tested. So that much trust Ghazal Ma'am has for her products. If your family member are using, so of course you will be more than careful. So with this we have got an example that yes, all the products of Lifoberry are cruelty free, they are chemical free, and they are good to use. So this question I have asked about the product, but I would like to ask this question once again to you, ma'am, that I have asked you at the red carpet. So how is the feeling? Are you feeling like a proud mom over here? Such a proud feeling to see your daughter growing with the brand Leaferberry?
Yeah, when she was having the interviewing, I was crying like anything. So yes, every mother should feel proud. Like बच्चे के लिए तो उसकी माँ एक मॉडल होती है ना. She is the inspiration like anything. But for her, obviously, I am there. But very true, she has spoken. I am Ayurvedic doctor basically. So I was having the things starting. I am using my own product only. Like मुझे कुछ बनाना नहीं आता था, but I just entertained up the home. कहीं से कुछ लिया, कहीं से लेमन लिया, कर्ड लिया या मिल्क लिया या whatever. Yes, I will use vitamin C capsules ऐड किया. तो ये सब कुछ she has seen from starting. So today she is on this level, and I hope this is very proudful for me.
Of course, बिल्कुल आपके नक्शे कदम पर ही चल रही हैं और एक ब्रांड खड़ा कर दिया है Leaferberry का. All right. So can I have Mrs. Pratibha Ranka as well on stage, please? Miss Pratibha Ranka on stage. All right. Okay. She is coming. Okay. So we'll resume with the testimonial after some time. All right. So Sure. So can we have Miss Lubhani Babel on stage, please? I would like to give the introduction, but before that, I would like to say that Lubhani Babel is the sister of Ghazal Kothari. Can we have a huge round of applause? She has been making waves in the West together for the beautiful Lubhani Babel. So good to have you. And I would also like to invite on stage Mr. Rohit Kalsekar. Yes, he is the content creator and you all have seen him dancing as well. So here is another guest who has made a significant impact through his unique content creation. And yes, of course, he is a travel content creator and a good dancer as well. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. Alright, so my question comes to Lubhani Babel. Don't worry, Munira and Utkarsh, best question comes for the best guest. Of course, you are the most special guest for us. अच्छे question prepare करके रखे हैं. Alright, so Lubhani, जितना compliment करें Lubhani को उतना कम है. देखिए skin भी glow कर रही है and of course दोनों बहनें साथ में कितना glow कर रही हैं. Okay, so what does your daily skincare routine look like? Because we all want to have a skin like you, of course. So would you like to share your skincare routine?
The secret is obviously Leaferberry. Well, good evening everyone. I'm Ghazal's sister, very proud right now, like a proud sister. So first I cleanse my face. I think I've been using Ghazal's product since a very long time now. Her cleanser, I swear by. I only use that. Then I put her face serum. That is vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. I think you have added, right? And then after that I apply under eye cream again, Leaferberry. I swear by it. I don't use any other. Just the Leaferberry. I'm using from past 6 years now maybe. When you started, I started using her products. Everything is natural. I do not apply any chemical on my skin. Yeah, obviously when we are going to a wedding party, then we apply foundation, that's for sure. But other than that, on my casual days, I do not apply anything. I do not have any breakout. As such, whenever I clean my face, it's, I don't have any acne. I think all credit goes to Leaferberry, obviously. And
Yes, of
yeah.
course.
Her moisturizer, moisturizer I use of some other brand. And yeah, but all three products of Leaferberry, I swear by it. The cleanser, it's not harsh on my skin. The under eye serum, the face serum, yeah, all are very good.
मैम इतनी तारीफ मत करिए. अभी मेकअप निकाल के मेरे को प्रोडक्ट्स यूज करने का मन कर रहा है बिल्कुल. लेकिन कोई बात नहीं, थोड़ा इंतजार कर लूंगी मैं.
No, I think because you cannot eat anything chemical, right? Can you
Yes.
eat it? I think everyone now is eating organic vegetables and everything, right? So how can you apply chemical on your face?
Yes, true,
So
true.
I think you must use only organic products.
Definitely, definitely. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now my question goes to Rohit
And
Kalsekar.
obviously, sunblock is a
Ah,
must.
yes,
I
yes.
apply like 2 layers of sunblock on my face.
That
That's,
is really
you
needed.
need to protect your face. So yeah, I apply that and that's it.
Of course, we have got 3 gorgeous ladies sitting on the stage and all their skin is glowing, of course. So my question goes to Rohit. So how does skincare contribute to your overall sense of beauty and confidence? And this question is not only to Rohit but to all of you because Leafoberry, as we have mentioned earlier also, it is not only for women but it is also for men. So, my question to you. Once again, yeah. How does skincare contribute to your overall sense of beauty and confidence?
सो बेसिकली मैं खुद के बारे में थोड़ा बताना चाहता हूँ दैट आई एम मराठी ट्रैवल ब्लॉगर ओके जो मैं फूड और ट्रैवल कंटिन्यू मतलब फूडी भी हूँ और ट्रैवल मेरा कंटिन्यू चालू रहता है तो फिर मराठी हूँ तो फिर थोड़ा मराठी में बोलूँ तो सबको चलेगा
दौड़ेगा.
चलेगा ना ओके तर कसं आहे की मी आहे ना ट्रॅव्हल करत असतो आणि खूप टाइम बाहेरचं खात असतो आता ट्रॅव्हल करताना बऱ्याच वेळी काय होतं की स्किन वरती इम्पॅक्ट पडतो आणि त्याचसोबत काय होतं की ट्रॅव्हल आपलं फूड जे पण असतं बाहेरचं ऑब्व्हियसली आपल्या स्किनवरती इम्पॅक्ट तर पडतोच पण त्यावेळेला स्किनची काळजी घेणं खूप महत्त्वाचं असतं सो खूप इम्पॉर्टंट आहे स्किनची काळजी घेणं आणि त्यासाठी मी मोस्टली काय करतो की जे ऑर्गॅनिक प्रोडक्ट जसं की सांगितलं की तेच मी यूज करतो बिकॉज ऑब्व्हियसली स्किन केअर सध्याच्या रुटीनमध्ये खूप महत्त्वाचं आहे हेअर स्किन आणि आपल्याला प्रेझेंट होणं पब्लिकमध्ये हे खूप महत्त्वाचं झालं आहे सध्या सो हेच एक आहे म्हणजे की ऑर्गॅनिक फूड किंवा घरी असलो तर मग ह्या गोष्टींची थोडी काळजी घेतो बस
Of course, मुझे थोड़ा सा कम समझ में आया पर सुन के अच्छा लगा. Alright. So thank you so much Rohit for such a wonderful answer. Now you can please have your seat and would like to invite Tuneer now on stage. Thank you. Alright. Everyone you can be seated. कोई बात नहीं आप बैठ सकते हो. Alright. So before asking questions.
Because it can clog skin pores. Let the skin breathe, please. Second is, I think it's over cleansing. People over cleanse so much. दिन में 4 बार face wash लगा रहे हैं. So please don't over cleanse because it can strip your skin natural oils and further it can lead to irritation and breakouts. So please don't over cleanse. Third, I would say that the biggest mistake people are making is that is over exfoliating. So don't over exfoliate. Exfoliate only once a week. That is sufficient, I think. And the last is please use sunscreen. People are going without sunscreen. So use a broad spectrum sunscreen of 30 SPF and please reapply every 2 hours or 3 hours. That's it. Thank you.
Very important points we got over here. Thank you so much, Ghazal ma'am. And before moving towards Tuneer sir, I would like to give a brief introduction. So, Tuneer sir, of course, is a very, very special person who has played a pivotal role in shaping Leafoberry's brand strategy and bringing its vision to life. So, here Tuneer sir is known as a storyteller as well, a brand strategist, and of course, an ad filmmaker. Wow, of course. So we have Tuneer sir. Can we have a huge, huge round of applause for the branding team member? So with the branding, a very important question comes. On which platforms do you market Leafoberry?
Yes, thank you for the question and thank you for nice introduction. सबसे पहले आपके उस सवाल का जवाब देने से पहले मैं एक चीज़ बताना चाहता हूँ about the brand Leafoberry. So basically Leafoberry ये brand के बारे में जब गजल मैम मुझसे अप्रोच हुई, so ये brand positioning करना सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी बात होती है कि आप brand को position कैसे करते हो. As a brand strategist हम लोग market में देखते हैं कि आप क्या brand खरीद रहे हो, तो actually आप product नहीं खरीदते हो, आप उसकी कहानी खरीदते हो, आप उसकी स्टोरी खरीदते हो, आप उसकी आइडिया खरीदते हो. और मैं जब ब्रांड स्ट्रैटेजी पे काम करता हूँ, मैं ऑनेस्टली उन्हीं ब्रांड्स के साथ जुड़ता हूँ या जुड़ना पसंद करता हूँ जो एक्चुअली बहुत ऑनेस्टी के साथ ब्रांड को बिल्ड करना चाहते हैं. और मैं बताता हूँ, मतलब अगर 10 क्लाइंट्स अगर मुझे मिलते हैं, मैं उनसे मिलता हूँ, हम लोग बातचीत करते हैं, उनमें से सिर्फ 2 ऐसे क्लाइंट्स होते हैं जो ब्रांड, ये वर्ड और ब्रांडिंग को समझते हैं, उनमें से एक गजल मैम है. सो फॉर दैट थिंग आई वाज वेरी मच हैप्पी कि एक ऐसी पर्सन मिली. आप सुबह का 7 बजे बोलो या रात के 12 बजे, मैम फोन उठाती है और मैम फोन करेगी, ये आपको कंफर्म रहना है. मतलब वो कभी सोती नहीं, कभी रेस्ट नहीं करते. ऐसा क्वेश्चन आएगा आपको कि इतना कैसे कोई ब्रांड के लिए एंथुजियास्ट हो सकता है. मतलब वो छोटी छोटी चीजें, जब हम पैकेजिंग पे काम कर रहे थे, डिजाइनिंग पे काम कर रहे थे, बहुत जरूरी होता है. आज आप बहुत बड़ी बड़ी ब्रांड्स देखते हो, अमूल, नेस्ले, ये सारी ब्रांड कहीं पे तो कभी तो छोटी ब्रांड्स होगी, आज बड़ी बनी है. तो इसके पीछे सिर्फ एजेंसी का काम नहीं होता, तो उस ब्रांड को समझने वाले उस एंटरप्रेन्योर का भी काम होता है. तो स्ट्रैटेजिकली हम लोग जब पोजीशन कर रहे थे, मैम की थॉट वाज वेरी क्लियर कि मुझे कुछ बकवास बेचना नहीं है, तो मेरे लिए स्टोरी बहुत आसान होगी. मैम के सारी चीजों में से ही मुझे एक कैंपेन लाइन मिली, लव योर ट्रू सेल्फ, क्योंकि मैम सच में खुद के अपने आप के रियल सेल्फ से प्यार करती है. मैम ने कभी भी फेकनेस नहीं प्रेटेंड किया, वहीं पे ब्रांड की स्टोरी है. और ब्रांड की सच्ची स्टोरी जब आप प्रेजेंट करते हो ना, तब माल बिकता है बॉस. क्योंकि झूठ 5 दिन तक बिकेगा, 6ठे दिन वो पकड़ा जाता है. लेकिन इस मामले में वैसा नहीं है. तो ब्रांड पोजीशनिंग करने में मुझे बहुत इजी हुआ. ये सारी चीजें कैंपेन कॉइन करने में बहुत इजी था, बिकॉज मैम बहुत क्लियर थी. तो क्लियर विजन होना बहुत इजी होता है. स्ट्रेटेजिकली बहुत हम लोग ने काम किया ये सारी चीजों पे. ऑफ कोर्स द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग टीम वाज अमेजिंग. उन्होंने बहुत जल्दी एग्जीक्यूशन करके सारा चीज हाथ में रखा. एंड यू आर आस्किंग कि प्लेटफॉर्म्स, अभी हम लोग खुद के वेबसाइट पे बेचने वाले, अमेजोन पे बेचने वाले एंड नायका पे. सो इन प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे आपको प्रोडक्ट्स खरीदने मिलेंगे. हमारी मार्केटिंग की फिलॉसफी यही रहेगी, हमें ट्रू स्टोरीज को कैप्चर करना है. आपने जैसे देखा उत्कर्ष से भी हमने बात की, तो उत्कर्ष ने पहले प्रोडक्ट यूज किया. उत्कर्ष हैव अप्लाइड द प्रोडक्ट, उत्कर्ष हैव अंडरस्टूड द स्टोरी, राइट उत्कर्ष. और बहुत मजा आया था उत्कर्ष के साथ काम करने, बहुत एंजॉय किया हमने. सो और जितने भी टेस्टिमोनी वो सच थे, कोई भी मैंने जाके झूठ शूट नहीं किया. एवरीथिंग वाज ट्रू. एंड यही हमारी स्ट्रैटेजी एंड पोजीशनिंग एंड द वे ऑफ ब्रांडिंग होगा. हम लोग रियल स्टोरी को कैप्चर करेंगे एंड एवरी स्किन टोन, एवरी इंडिविजुअल मैटर्स एंड इट्स ब्यूटीफुल. हर इंसान एक ब्यूटीफुल है, कोई भी ऐसा नहीं बोल सकता ये ब्यूटीफुल है ये नहीं. हर इंसान अपने आप. दैट्स व्हाई लव योर ट्रू सेल्फ.
Of course.